So today we're going to be unboxing this OPPO Reno 6, which is for has a partnership with the Champions ICC World Cricket, and 8 GB and 128 gigs storage, and that's pretty much it for the outer box. Let's get into the inner box. So here's the phone, OPPO Reno 6, and we're gonna unbox this. Here it is, and it comes with 8 GB RAM and 128 gig storage. And let's get into the unboxing. So removing this box and doing this. Here it is, like this, and removing it. Removing this box, and this has a silicone case and some paperwork and a SIM ejection tool. And here's the phone. It says broken flare portrait, AI highlighting video, ultra night vision plus live HDR, portrait beautification video, 50-watt flash charge. The charger comes in the box, and 90 Hz refresh rate, and 64 megapixel AI quad camera. And here's the phone. It has a notch, not a notch, like a dot camera, and it has 3 cameras over here, and here's the 4th camera, and dual tone LED flash, and the back is matte, keeping the phone aside. And here it is, the charger. Here are the accessories. Here's the 50-watt fast charger, 50-watt fast charger, and it comes with these headphones. Bear in mind, this one has a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack and USB-C fast charging port, and a noise cancellation microphone, and also a normal microphone, and USB-C cable. So here's the cable, and yeah, here it is. I hope you like this video. If so, then like, share, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell, and I guess I'll see you in the next one. Peace.